Okay, we're going to look here at the ways of dealing with the foreign exchange transaction. Basically what's happening here is that you've already processed an invoice at some period in time in the past, and you're now paying it. So in this particular example data set we have regarding this, the company is called Media Mad, and you can see because they're based in English. Right now, they would turn around, would have invoiced us in a sterling amount. Right, the euro equivalent to which is 4,505.57. So we're going to look at both here. What to do if there is a gain or if there's a loss. So let's have a look at the bank account, right? And suppliers. I'm going to bring up Media Mad. Okay, make sure the date is the date regarding that the invoice has been paid. We'll be looking at this in a second. So let's say, starting off, first off, 4,600 is the amount that your bank draft is. Now, normal way that this gets asked in the question is that there's a bank charge and there is an amount on it regarding okay, so as you see straight off, there is a difference here regarding so if I put in my pay in full, I turn around and I find out regarding that there's a difference in here. Okay, so let's look at how to deal with it. Let's set this idea at 4,600. Right, close. So now, first off, no matter what happens, there is going to be a bank charge. The bank charge normally around 750. So Media Mad invoice. Okay, put in the date 30th 11th 12. Okay, bank draft or bank or whatever you want to call it. Okay, now very important, you must change the normal code from 7,000 to something to 7901. Bank charges, department sitter, project reference says blank, cost code says blank, detail, bank fees or bank draft fees. Okay, 750 the amount, and it's bank charges, no VAT, T9. You save that. Okay, close. Now, as you can see, my total balance here now is 4,513 euros and 70. Issue is 4,600 what the draft is costing minus 4513.07 equals 86.93 in the difference. Now, be very careful in dealing with this. This is okay in activity regarding I only have one invoice that is outstanding. Everything else has been paid. Okay, and if you actually look at the data that you see regarding that it has been dealt with for. Okay, so purchase invoice. So what's the story here? 86.93 extra is what's needed to go into on. So easiest way to do it, insert a new invoice. Okay. Date of the draft has been paid on. Call it FX, for example. Change the normal code of 79. Okay, and watch it. Keep it to the same account. Guess what it's deal with? It's either 7901 or 7906. Okay, department blank. Department project reference blank, cost code blank, details. Okay, FX loss. Okay, why it's costing you more, and you put in your difference, which we worked out 86.93, 86.93 T9. Okay, and save. Now when I look at my media Mad, I see now there's 4,600, and it's important now there to the bank payment. So bank payment, supplier, okay, pick the customer, Media Mad, pick the date, 30/11/12 or whatever date's on. For bank number details, 3RAFT, draft, 4,600, and make sure that you allocate it for each thing, 4600. Okay, so 7.5, 86.93, and 4505.57. Okay, and save. Okay, now that's the situation where the company is making an FX loss. Okay, so we're just going to reset this again, and we're going to look at the opposite side. What happens if regarding the company has made an FX gain? So browse, turn to so going to redo, reset it again. Yes. Okay. So reversing everything that we've done beforehand. Okay. So straight off modules, supplier, have a look at it again, and we see that MediaMad is back again. Okay, so step one, you've read your question. So step one again, invoice for the bank charges, put in the date. So we're just saying it's the end of November 2012. Reference bank, please, you can call it FX, you can call it whatever you want now, because let's take an example, 7901 bank charges, change the nominal code, cost code details. Okay, bank draft fees. Okay, or bank charges again, 750 T9. Okay, save. Now let's say this time, alright, the bank draft is costing me 4,400. Alright, okay, that's 4,400 to pay the invoice and to pay the bank charges. Okay, minus 4513.07, which is the total cost of the invoice and bank charge now is €113.07. Okay, so and slightly cheaper. Therefore, easiest way to do it, put through a credit note. Same date of the bank draft. Okay, FX as your reference, 7902 or 7906, the case may be. Check the try balance to see which one has been used. Okay, department was blank, project was blank, cost code blank, details. Okay, so that's an F. Now this is your credit note. It's an FX gain. Okay, and your figure, just like we worked out, 113.07. 113.07 T9 with that. Okay, it's all done. Save. Close. Now if I look at my MediaMad casino, it is now 4,400 and I can pay it. So go to bank, suppliers icon out of the bank. Okay, bring up media, the date of the draft, 11/12, check reference draft, put in our amount. Okay, and turn around and do it regarding cases. So painful. Okay. Okay, so make sure they're all clear. Say 4505.57. Okay, so there we have it. So all my figures is in there. And it's done. So my bank draft matches total. I have cleared the invoice, I have cleared the bank fees, and I've cleared the FX. Save, and that's how it's done. And it's always that way, to leave it at both sides.